the Quran. Is it a 100% true holy text, or just a voluminous account of demonic ramblings or babblings? This is our video review of the Quran and in-depth exposure. Welcome to our unique YouTube channel, the Ministry of the Real Truth. Today we'll embark on a profound journey into one of the world's most influential texts, the Quran. This revered book is the cornerstone of Islamic faith, guiding over 1 billion Muslims around the globe. In this particular video, and other parts to come, we will explore the Quran in depth, examining its key teachings, themes, and the various interpretations that have shaped its understanding over the centuries. Our goal is to provide a balanced and comprehensive review, addressing both the positive aspects and the criticisms that surround this sacred text. We'll begin by delving into the Quran's core messages, including its emphasis on monotheism, social justice, and ethical conduct. We'll highlight the strengths of its teachings on charity, community, and spiritual growth. But it's also important to confront the criticisms and controversies associated with the Quran. We'll address issues such as interpretations related to violence, gender roles, and freedom of belief. By examining these aspects, we aim to provide a nuanced perspective that respects the diversity of views within and outside the Muslim community. Whether you're a scholar, a student of world religions, or simply curious about the Quran, this review will offer valuable insights into what the sacred text really says. How it's interpreted, and its impact on both historical and contemporary issues. So join us as we navigate through the verses, explore various translations, and engage with scholarly perspectives. Our overall goal is to foster a deeper understanding and respectful dialogue about the Quran and its role in shaping cultures and societies around the world. Let's begin this enlightening journey into the heart of one of humanity's most significant spiritual texts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for updates on our latest content. And don't forget to share this video, along with our other videos, with everyone you know. Look for part 2, where we ask, what exactly is the Quran? Don't miss it.